Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another session of Estate Planning Q&A. My name is Akua Carmichael. I am the Vice President of Estate Planning and Services at Estate Stewards. Today we're talking about powers of attorney, and in particular, we're looking at the power of attorney for personal care. Who should you choose to act in this very important role? So let's get right into it. My first tip would be choose a person that you actually have a strong comfort level with. So somebody that you are comfortable talking to about very personal situations. A person acting under your power of attorney for personal care, called an attorney for personal care, is going to be responsible for your healthcare decisions, shelter, nutrition, hygiene, safety. Any issues around personal care are in their realm of responsibility. And you will likely have to speak to this person beforehand about your wishes and also any details around any health concerns or issues, any treatments that you want or don't want. It can get very personal and very intimate very quickly. And so having a certain comfort around communicating with that individual becomes really important. Otherwise, it would be difficult for you to really be very forthcoming and share the things that they might need to know in order to do that job very well for you. And so just having a comfort level with that particular person, I think, is key. Secondly, I would encourage you to choose a person that you are confident will respect your wishes and your values around your personal care concerns. If a power of attorney is being used, so a person is acting under that power of attorney, it is because you have become incapacitated, which means you're not in a position to communicate your preferences around certain kinds of foods, around where you live. Do you want in-home care? Do you want to go to a long-term care facility? Do you want to live in a particular city or country? All of these issues you may not be able to communicate if you become incapacitated. And so speaking with somebody beforehand, making it clear, and being confident that that person will respect your wishes and carry them out, also very, very important. And then finally, working with a person that has strong interpersonal and communication skills, really, really key. Oftentimes, the person who's acting as your attorney for personal care under a power of attorney for personal care will have to work very closely with the person acting under a power of attorney for property. And if they're two different people, it's important that they get along and that they're on the same page, because the person acting under the power of attorney for property has the finances, the money, and should be transferring money over to make sure that your personal care decisions and desires can actually be carried out, for as much as it depends on finances and money. So it's important that these two individuals, if they're different people, get along and work together well and have good, strong communication and interpersonal skills. I hope you've enjoyed hearing about these 3 tips. At Estate Stewards, we do offer power of attorney for personal care services if you're also using our power of attorney for property services. I would love to chat with you about your personal situation. If you do think these services would be of use, please do feel free to reach out. Until next time, take care.